gentlemen, my name is Chloe Goxuanrui, and I am from Kids Public Speaking Bangsan South. This year, I am 10 years old. Let me share with you my speech, Believe in Yourself. Since day one, there has been a voice in my head. It tells me to surrender. Do you hear this voice in your head too? When you are faced with something difficult, every day the voice is there to tell me to quit. I decided not to listen. I don't have time for that. I decided to listen to my heart. I decided to get back up to face the challenge and fight the pain and to push forward because I believe it is worth it. I believe I'm worth it. I am somebody and every day I am a better somebody. I deserve to be epic. Everyone deserves greatness. Whenever you believe hope, don't let anything take it from you. The only person you are meant to be is the person you desire to be. Never stop striving till you reach your goals. Never quit. Believe in yourself. Be you. Thank you.